Little frisky under braking, careful on the way, and don't let the nose run wide. Go on, accelerate now. Tail steps out a bit, but he's on top of that in an instant. Here comes the follow through, surely he'll have to lift off. Yep, feathering the throttle, then back on it through the tyres. Now just 2 corners left. Can it beat the MC12? Can it beat what is basically an Enzo in drag? Coming up to Gambon, lap record is in sight. Tail kicking out and across the line. Right, it's got the Maserati MC12 to beat 118.9. It's done it! 118.4! Quickest car ever! Now the Top Gear test track. I knew it. You liked it then, did you? Oh, man, I knew you could do that. It's such an unbelievable car. Now, normally at this stage in the programme, we'd all fool around looking at various news stories from the week, but I'm afraid this week, obviously the news has been completely dominated, as far as we're concerned, by the sad death of Richard Burns. He was England's only ever World Rally Champion, and he died after a horribly long illness, aged just 34. So we've put a bit of a tribute together for him.
Oh no!